Hello friends, today we are going to do picture composition for grade 3. Friends, whenever we see our old photographs, they bring back lots of memories in our mind. Watching pictures and photographs is the best way to recollect our golden moments. But what is the use of doing picture composition in schools? What is the objective of doing that? Let's take a look. When we observe a picture, lots of ideas and thoughts come across our mind. So, it provides us the ability to express thoughts, feelings and opinions. And I think this is the prior need of learning any language. We need language so that we can express ourselves, and picture composition helps us to do that. So, here is the format of a picture composition. First of all, introduction. In this part, we should tell what is the picture about. Second part is the setting. In this part, we should introduce the characters given in the picture. Third one is the body part. In this part, we give some extra information about the picture, what the characters are doing. And the last part is conclusion. The last idea which comes in your mind, what do you infer from the picture, that comes in the conclusion part. And before doing picture composition, here are some important points which we should keep in our mind. The first one is we should observe the picture very carefully. After observing the picture, we should try to find out the answers of following questions mentally. Means before writing your composition, try to find out the answers of the given questions in your mind. Let's take a look at the questions. First one is, what is the picture about? Second question is, who are there in the picture? Next one is, what is happening in the picture? After getting answers of all these questions, you can write down your composition. And very important point is, after completing your composition, read it and check your mistakes. So, here is a picture in front of you. Let's write down some lines about this picture. First of all, introduction part. This picture depicts the scene of a beach. Then comes the setting part. It is a bright sunny day. Some children are enjoying at the beach. Then comes the body part. It seems they have come on a picnic. They are relishing swimming, sleeping in sun, making sandcastle, etc. And the last idea which comes in my mind after observing this picture is, I wish I could join them. Accordingly, whatever comes in your mind, what do you feel about the picture, what do you infer from this picture, you can write down that line as a conclusion. That's all from my side. I hope you have understood picture composition very well. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.